Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Elepowstar wireless doorbell. You'll receive 3 receiver chime units, 2 doorbell buttons, 2 sets of double-sided adhesive tape, 2 sets of wall-mounting hardware, a mini screwdriver, and a set of instructions. The receivers are a flattened white puck with a glossy clear acrylic front plate. On the side, you'll find the volume key and ringtone selection key. On the back is a 2-prong plug suitable for 120-volt AC outlets and the speaker for the unit. The receiver measures 3¼ inches in diameter and protrudes from the wall about 1 inch. This wireless doorbell set is pretty much plug and play, and the receivers plug directly into wall outlets and do not require separate batteries. The doorbell buttons, however, use CR2032 coin cell batteries to operate. The mounting plate for the doorbell button can be attached next to your door using the adhesive pads or wall mounting hardware. To change the battery of the doorbell button, slide the doorbell housing up against the mounting plate to unlock it. Then open the battery bay door from the bottom. Before installation, be sure to remove the battery saver tab for the doorbell buttons. When the button on the front is pressed, there's a blue LED that illuminates behind the doorbell button housing. And each of the 3 receivers should ring simultaneously if they're plugged in and in range of the signal transmitted by the button. The signal range is rated to 1,000 feet outdoors and 500 feet indoors. The receivers will also flash with LEDs as visual alerts, which helps the deaf and hearing impaired. The second button allows you to use the same receivers but place the bell at a different entrance, like the back door, and it will also activate the receivers again if they're in range of the signal sent from that button. In addition, you can expand the system by pairing additional buttons and receivers. The rings for the receivers can be set to 4 different volume levels. And there are 52 different tones to choose from. To change the ringtone, move through them with the next or previous buttons on the side. I'm going to play through all the tunes now, so feel free to skip ahead to continue with the rest of the review. What I also like about this doorbell set is that you can use different ringtones for the different transmitters. So for example, the front doorbell button could play this tone, while the back doorbell button could play this tone. That way you'd know which door to answer based on the sound. To set different tunes for each transmitter, first select the tone by cycling through the options until you hear the one you want. Then press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds until you hear this chime, and the LED on the receiver will start flashing. Within 5 seconds, press the button on the transmitter that you want to pair the tone with. If successful, you'll hear your selected ring play. Next, select the tone that you want for the second transmitter. Then go through the same steps. Now, depending on which button you press, you'll hear different tones. And you'll need to perform this process with both transmitters for each receiver individually. To reset a receiver and clear the paired transmitters, press and hold its forward button. That's the rightmost one, for 5 seconds while plugged in. Once cleared, you'll have to resync the transmitters to make it work. What I like about these receivers is that they remember your doorbell selections even if they lose power. So if you move them from one outlet to another, or if there's a power outage, you won't have to go through the setup steps all over again. They also have a great range for my 1900 square foot home, reaching all the way to the 3rd floor and even into the basement. The expandable system means I can add more receivers if I need to, and set different volumes for each one depending on where they're located. I found that both buttons that came with the kit were able to transmit the signal to the 3rd floor of my house, with one installed at the front and one installed at the back entrance. Overall, it's a very functional, versatile, and flexible doorbell kit that performs well in terms of range and volume. The batteries in the buttons also last a long time and only need to be replaced about once a year. But that'll really depend on your weather conditions and how often the doorbell is used. I also like that the tones are fairly musical with a high quality speaker, and it sounds a lot better than the more computer generated tones of my previous wireless doorbell. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.